Okay, so this is a video for showing how Google Drive has been implemented in my application. The application is FluidFiles. The icon is shown on the screen right now. Let me show its properties first. So its version number is 1.3.354, and you can even see here it is present in the Play Store. Okay, all right, I'll open the app now to show its interface. So this is how it looks. This is a file browser. I'll show how Google Drive is implemented in it. Let me just add a Google Drive. Here it is showing all the accounts present in my phone. So I'll add one account. Right now it will fail because the permission is not there. So I'll give it the permission first. So here it is showing that sign in request is there. It will show a warning first because right now it is not verified by Google. So I'll proceed with this. So here it is showing my app branding, icon, email ID. Here it is showing the scope which it is requesting for Google Drive, and this page is in English as requested. Okay, all right. I'll continue with this. Now it has given me permission. So now I'll again try to add a Google Drive, and this time it will succeed. Here it is mounted. So you can see the new icon has come on the left navigation bar, and it is showing a mounted drive. I'll start with first showing this special folder on the top in orange color. It contains all the files which has been shared with me by other Google Drive users. So here it is showing. Let me change the listing icon. So here is it, and a folder was shared containing various images. So that is also here. Okay, I'll go back to Drive. Here it is showing my workspace items also, and they have been marked in this green icon called workspace, which is shown over here. All right, now I'll create a folder over here. I'll create a new folder over here. Let me name it folder 1. So this folder is created now, and I'll now upload a local file in this folder. So let me go to my internal drive. I'll copy some file. Let me copy a document from here. Maybe this one. I'll just copy it, and I'll select this. So this is the bottom drawer. It is showing all the mounted drives to me. I'll select my Google Drive, and I'll select folder 1, which I just created, and I'll copy it there. It has been copied now. Let's go back to the folder. So here it is showing that file. Now I'll rename this file. So SR page 15, I'll rename it to maybe temp. It has been renamed now. Now I'll create another folder now. I'll call it folder 2. Now I'll copy this file from folder 1 to folder 2. Okay, let us go back and see whether, yeah, so this file is now present in folder 2 as well as folder 1. So the copy was successful. Now I'll create another file, another folder called folder 3, and this time I'll, instead of copying, I'll move this file or cut paste it. So I'll select move. I'll again select my Google Drive. I'll select folder 3 and I'll move this file. So once moved, this file will go disappear from here, and yeah, it is now in folder 3. It has been moved from folder 2 to folder 3. Now I'll copy the same file, or rather download, onto my internal storage. So I'll copy, I'll select my internal storage and I'll select my download folders and I'll copy it there. Now let's go to internal folder, internal storage, download, and here you can see the temp file which has been downloaded. Okay, let's go back to my Google Drive. Now I'll delete these folders. First I'll delete the file. Let me just delete the file. So this file has been deleted. I'll delete these folders also. Folders has also been deleted. Now uh, I'll download a workspace item. So let me just copy this. So in this application there is no separate download or upload command, menu item. So there's a unified copy and move and paste. So it works same across the application. So from local to local, from internal to internal storage, from internal to USB, SD card, or Google Drive, or any other network location, same copy, move and paste will work. So I'll copy this Fluid privacy policy. I'll select my internal drive and I'll again select download. Let me download it in download folders. Now let me go to my download folder again. So here it is present, FluidFile privacy policy, and the extension has also been renamed to the appropriate one. Let me just open it to show. Yeah, here is the file. So it is exporting the workspace items also. Now next I will show the streaming capability. Let me just copy one audio file, a sample audio file. I'll upload it to the Google Drive. Let me just copy this one. I'll copy it and I'll select my Google Drive and I'll paste it over here in the root of Google Drive. So now this file has been copied to my Google Drive. Now when I'll click on this, it will directly start playing in the internal media player of the application. Let me just click on it.
Mille pattes, jou, 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 jou. Mille pattes, afkakkoes, nyam, nyam, nyam.
Okay, that's a funny song. Let me just stop it. So the audio file is playing now. I've just paused it. Next, what we'll do, I'll share this file to another user. So that is one more functionality which is there. I'll share the file with the user. The sharing can be done in two ways. So you can share the file with a particular email ID to a person. So if I'll say kneerajaswal@google.com, I can give permissions of viewing, commenting, or editing, and then I can share it. Now I can inform that person, and I can share this link with that person. This link from here, and he can access it using his email ID. If not email ID and you want to share it with multiple people, whoever have the link, there is a second option called anyone with this link. So once I select this, it will be available to anyone who has this link, the link shown above. I'll just copy it, and whoever I'll share this link with, he'll be able to access this file. He'll be able to download it. So now this permission can also be revoked. I can again select it. I can go to share with the user, and I can deselect it. Now the people who have that link, they will not be able to download it because I've removed the permission. Okay, other than this, yeah, search functionality is also there. So if there are multiple files, you can search it over there. So let me just type pan. So let us see what all things happen. PA. Let me just search on it. Yeah. So PN. This file name contains pan, so it is showing. Um. So these are the functionalities. Other than this, yeah. You can see by long pressing on the, again I'll do it, by long pressing on the icon, you can see the properties, how much of space is being used and other things. Those are shown over here. And when you want to unmount the drive, you can just click on unmount and that drive will go. It's gone now. So those are all the functionalities which have been implemented in this application regarding Google Drive integration. I think I've covered it all. Yeah. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a good day.